There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
All right, guys, what is going on? We are here at Cecil County Dragway. First time of the year for Kong. Just got Kong ready to go for the track, guys. All right, now, trans is good to go. Did some test pulls on the way here. Did some pulls on the way, been doing it. So see how the shift is. My main concern is getting that shift. Realistically, it's always going to be my concern, so I know it's going to shift every time. So what we have is we are not turned up to where we were last time when we did the 10-8. We don't have that tune in. We do have that tune, a revised version of that tune, basically, in the truck. So the plan is right now, because we're trying to get off of boosting, we're not going to run boosting anymore. We're just going to go straight 93. So we have a little bit of a conservative tune. It could run a 10 first time. I don't know. It's possible. So it's a little juiced up, but not too. It's hard to say, guys. So every pass, we may be turning it up, depending if the truck likes it. Have to see how much we can do. If the truck likes it or not. I think it's going to be fine liking it. It liked it on boosting. I don't see why it ain't going to like it on 93 only. So we could possibly run a personal best, but that's not the goal today. The goal today, guys, is just to go out and get an A to B pass and make sure everything is good with the trans and the shifting. And you know what? If everything's good with that, then we can crank it up. Like I said, I have the tunes with me to crank it up if we really want to, if it's running great, we want to crank it up more and get some more power out of this, guys. But so, yeah, I'm excited, man. I've been racing since last year. Trans is ready to go. And we don't have a detune now. That's the biggest thing. When we do crank it up, we don't have to detune first gear completely. So we got full power in every gear. Hopefully it hooks. Hopefully we get traction. And hopefully it shifts, guys. So let's get out there and get that first pass. That was the failure of what happened, guys. We broke an axle. Sucks, man. The axle's done. I'm in four-wheel drive, backing it up, like super scared to do this, to destroy my four-wheel drive, but I don't even know what to do here, fellas. I'm in the middle of the traffic. Phone call to see if I can how to get home, guys. I'll get back with you. All right, guys, we're here. We got the tow truck. He's helping us out. Back axle snapped. We actually drove it on here because we still got front wheel drive, so we drove it on with the front wheels. And yeah, that's basically it, man. Worst case scenario, I would drive it home in four-wheel drive on the front, but that's last case scenario.
Yeah, no doubt.
And my man here, new PB. Check out his video because it's going to be on there. And yeah, we're gonna get home.
9-7, yeah.
The one I videoed, yes, the hit limiter.
Hit limiter.
But yeah, we're gonna get home and take a look at what exactly how it broke. 90% sure that's the axle, because that's where the guy said he saw it. He said he saw it shake. So
yeah.
See the wheel shake, I'm pretty sure the axle's done.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll get home, take it apart, look at it. There are upgraded axles we can do, and we're gonna have to go with them and send her again. Get back, bring you back home. We'll get her fixed, guys. We'll get her fixed. I got him. Just do a little video. All right, guys. I actually got home, got the truck off, lifted the truck up, put the jack on real quick, and I don't think it's supposed to do that. Alright guys, so yeah, basically that's today's video. We went to the track today, expecting good things, expecting to make an A to B pass with the trans and the shifting and all that and the traction. Dead hook, bam, broke the axle before we even got a chance to make a pass, so it sucks. I kind of had a feeling this was going to happen, and here's why. 2 other 4-door supercharged Rams broke back-to-back weeks. Michael Young and Kevin Bennett both broke their axles, same as, you know. And I think I'm making a little bit more power. Maybe you're similar power to them, but I am a little bit heavier than both of them, being on 4-wheel drive. But I am making similar power. Maybe more, don't know. But we all broke axles, guys. And now that we did that, yeah, we all got to upgrade. The upgrade that's coming is probably going to be the Moser engineering axles. They make them. They are a factory upgrade from the stock ones. You know, heat treated, all good stuff. So, yeah, hopefully we can get them soon. I don't know if I'm going to be ready for now this racing event that I've been talking about, because actually, you know, stuff ain't cheap. We just put a friggin' brand new built transmission in this. That is expensive, so it kind of like broke me a little bit here, guys. You know, I was actually looking into buying Hydromat fuel filters too. So, oh yeah, but can't get them now because now we got to fix the axle. So the plan is, as you saw when I jacked it up, the whole thing is broken loose. So I'm gonna take it out. Well, I'm gonna take the rear wheels off, get everything out of there and stuff. Probably pull the axle, and Steve will come over and do his thing and install it, put some new fluid in, and hopefully we get this going, you know, as soon as possible, guys, and we can get back to the track and make that first pass. So yeah. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for what's coming next. Peace.